Hey there, this is Rich from Housebarons.com. Our family renovates houses, and today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of the Fiskars eco-friendly reel mower. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Clive? Well, the reason it's got these two flags in it is because my son lost the pins that hold it together. So he's just using those, and it seems to be working pretty well. This Fiskars Reel Mower, and that's spelled R-E-E-L, not R-E-A-L, is eco-friendly, and the reason they say that is because there's no battery, there's no oil, no gas, no cords, there's no exhaust gases, there's no noise pollution. Basically, it's just a blade that spins as you walk. Fiskars says it promotes healthier lawns by cutting each grass blade cleanly as if with a pair of scissors. It's like using a samurai sword on your lawn. And traditional mowers that use gas and batteries, they are basically tearing through your grass blades. And it's not necessarily a nice, clean, even cut that you get with this reel mower. And so with traditional mowers, it's kind of like using a machete, and they're just kind of hacking the grass blades. And so that leaves them more susceptible to drying out and disease because there isn't a nice clean cut. All right, so here we have two blades of grass, and these were mowed about 2 weeks ago, and we saved them because we just wanted to show you the difference of what happens with the reel mower versus a traditional mower. So this blade of grass on the left, that was mowed with the reel mower, and you can see that's a nice straight cut, and that grass blade healed nicely. Now this blade of grass on the right, that was mowed with a traditional mower, and it looks like it's just been hacked. And it's got a split there at the top. And as a result, either disease set in and has started to turn it brown, or it's just that it's been scorched by the sun because it didn't have a nice clean cut that could heal easily. So you can see that's quite a difference there between the reel mower cut on the left and the traditional mower cut on the right. The reel mower is priced just under $200. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're going to put our Amazon link in the description below. So you can order this reel mower using our link, and Amazon will ship it right to your door. So the secret of how they're able to get such a clean cut is that blade itself is incredibly sharp. It is kind of like a samurai sword. Their engineers have worked to get that blade razor sharp, and the other cool thing is on traditional mowers, you basically have to sharpen them at least once, if not twice, each mowing season. But the blade on this mower is so sharp that they say it can go several years without even needing to be sharpened again. This blade is much sharper than a traditional lawnmower blade. Other pros, it has pretty good cutting power considering it's just being propelled by a person. Their engineers have designed it to be ergonomically friendly, and they say it has superior ergonomics compared to any other push mower, and they claim that it's 30 to 60% easier to push than any of those other push mowers. It's also easy to change the height of the mowing blade, and that's just got a little lever. So all you have to do is push that little orange lever out. You pull it back or forward to raise or lower it. There's 8 different mower height adjustments, and it goes from 1 inch up to 4 inches. And it's super easy to change those. Another pro is you're exerting physical energy to push this mower. It's not completely simple. It's more difficult than just walking. And so it's kind of like as you're mowing, you're getting a workout. Okay, so regarding cons, the mower isn't always giving 100% clean cut like a traditional mower would. You know, here and there might be a couple of blades that didn't get cut. So if you're like super picky about your lawn has to look pristine, this may not be the mower for you. If we look down that way, it looks fine. The average homeowner is going to say that's good enough. Another issue is just the fact that it's a push mower. When you're using the reel mower, the taller that your grass is, the more difficult it's going to be to mow. Uneven terrain like this area is very difficult to mow over with the reel mower. But if you're just mowing in a place like this, where it's nice and flat, then this mower does a fine job. One other con of this reel mower is that it's difficult to turn it. All right, so there you have it. There's the pros and cons of the Fiskars Reel Mower. So if you're quite ecologically conscious, then this is probably a great option for you. And the other thing would be if you have a smaller yard, it's a nice option to having to deal with a gas mower. So on the flip side, if you've got a huge yard or you're very particular about it looking perfect, this probably wouldn't be the mower for you. So anyway, those are the pros and cons. I hope you got something out of the video. If you did, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel and we really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.